Hello everyone. So I'm sure you guys have realized my videos in general tend to be between 4 and 6 minutes. And I know YouTube, many YouTubers, things like that, recommend that a video be right around 10 minutes. Or even up to 20 minutes or longer. And I wanted to address something that I've experienced. And so why my videos are about that length and why I'm even willing to put up shorter videos. One, shorter videos are generally exercises that can be completely explained in a very short period of time. And I don't feel that there's a need to combine more than one exercise, because then to find the exercise you're looking for, it can be harder. You have to watch 2 or 3 different exercises at times to be able to find the exact one you're looking for. And so I want to be able to have it when we do get the app developed, that you can directly go to the exercise if you only want that one exercise and know exactly how to do it and not need any of the other stuff. Some of them I do combine. Obviously, I've done many checking your hips, seeing which way they're out, and how to put them back into place. I've done that all in one video, even though there's like 3 different ways. And that's because I feel that that's all basically one thing. You may have it out in any of those ways or all of those ways. I've done all of those ways. And so I felt it necessary to put them all in one place, one video, so that people can access them all at once. So what about why the short video lengths? Otherwise, because I've done plenty of other videos. And some of those I could have combined together to make a longer video. Well, my reason for doing the shorter videos is some of the times you want to learn, you want to gain more knowledge, but your time span that you can grasp things is a lot shorter. Especially it can be with EDS, and I may go into this in another video. But I know there's times for myself where I would have loved to watch something someone said, but I look at the 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, whatever minutes, and I know there's no way I can either watch at that time, and then generally I forget about it, or that I can maintain the mental focus for long enough to watch that thing that I really feel may be helpful. I don't have the mental focus to focus on it long enough to be able to gather the information from it that I need. And so I don't watch it. I've found that I generally can, 5 minutes is generally a time period that I feel I can focus long enough. And I've checked with others that feel that it's also a time period they can focus long enough. 5 minutes. Okay, I can focus for 5 minutes. Or I can, watch for 5 minutes. I have 5 extra minutes in my day, different things like that. That's why the videos are generally about 5 minutes long, is because I get that. Obviously, I have EDS myself, and I've struggled with many of those things myself, and wanted to be able to give you guys something that is beneficial to you. So, leave any comments below about how you feel about that time frame, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.